the ability to transform our respective communities and the lives of those that are in those communities under the banner of Bagong Pilipinas. Your strong presence here today, ang sabi sa akin ni Robax, malapit na sa 4,000 ang ating dito sa ating summit, that demonstrates your solidarity with the administration's governance agenda, as reflected in this Assembly's theme that calls for our local governments to be smart, to be resilient, and to be driven. In this age of technological advancement, it has become imperative to utilize all the latest tools and strategies to explore and improve our daily operations. It applies to areas such as infrastructure, urban planning, even in the simple process of applying for a business permit. I think we are all familiar with the delays that sometimes people have to suffer for very simple documentation. Well, I think the digital world is going to provide us the solutions to those problems and to make us more efficient, and so that the process of interchange between our people and the government, both at the local and the national level, becomes better, becomes easier and more efficient. To bolster this digitalization of local processes, our government is conducting caravans nationwide to promote the adoption by LGUs of the eLGU system as their electronic business one-stop shop, making government transactions convenient for the general public. Truly, in a time that communities and societies have embraced digitalization, there is no excuse for governments, national or local, to allow themselves to be left behind. It is incumbent upon us to promote these smart solutions, such as innovative technologies and strategies, so we can maximize its advantages, especially in the face of challenges that threaten the overall well-being of our constituents. Currently, we are experiencing a surge in leptospirosis and dengue cases attributed by the DOH to improper garbage disposal and poor waste management. Our solid waste management problem is a major factor that caused flooding as well in the metro during the onslaught of Typhoon Karina and the southwest monsoon in the last month. Local chief executives must work harder to utilize environmentally sound methods and waste minimization measures to protect public health and, of course, our environment. So I urge you all to lead a aggressive information dissemination campaign to promote a healthy lifestyle and prevent diseases, such as a campaign to remind our people, especially children, against swimming in flood waters and to practice personal hygiene to mitigate the spread of leptospirosis and any other illnesses. The Kalinisan program, led by our DILG, reflects our earnest efforts in improving our waste disposal and management to ensure a clean, healthy, and safe environment for all. I call on the LGUs to continue your active participation in this initiative. I know this has always been a problem for our urban communities especially, where how do we get rid of the tons of waste that accumulate and to not leave them in the environment and to remove them from the exposure to people in their day-to-day lives. And that is something that we really have to look into and finally come to a solution to that problem. As I have always said, sometimes we blame technology. Because of technology, because of the improved ways that we can do in terms of production, in terms of packaging, and this increases the amount of garbage that is generated. And I say that's because of